From hidden ore beneath the Earth's surface to flawlessly refined investment bars, every pure gold bar begins deep beneath the Earth's surface, hidden within ancient rock formations. Modern mining extracts millions of tons of ore to recover only tiny amounts of precious gold. The journey continues as raw ore arrives at one of the world's most advanced refining facilities. Powerful crushers reduce massive boulders into manageable fragments. Grinding exposes microscopic gold particles trapped within the surrounding minerals. Chemical flotation concentrates gold-bearing minerals while removing unwanted rock. A carefully controlled chemical process dissolves the gold into solution. Activated carbon captures dissolved gold with remarkable efficiency. Electric current pulls pure gold from solution and deposits it onto steel cathodes. This concentrated gold material is now ready for smelting into solid metal. Before melting, the recovered gold concentrate is carefully dried to eliminate every trace of moisture. Extreme temperatures separate precious metal from remaining impurities, producing glowing, molten gold. Every pour demands absolute precision to ensure consistent quality and purity. These doré bars still contain small amounts of silver and other metals that must be removed. Electro-refining removes the final impurities, creating exceptionally pure gold.
Every batch undergoes rigorous testing before earning its investment-grade certification.
Now completely refined, the gold is prepared for its final transformation. Advanced casting systems create perfectly uniform gold bars ready for the global market. Each bar receives a flawless finish, worthy of one of Earth's most valuable metals. Only bars meeting the industry's strictest standards are approved for secure storage and distribution. Every investment-grade gold bar receives a unique identity, allowing it to be traced and authenticated anywhere in the world. Protected inside highly secure vaults, refined gold becomes one of the world's most trusted stores of wealth.